What up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another tutorial. So today we are back inside the machine, and I just want to share with you guys some things that I wish I had known when I first started using the machine. So without further ado, if you can do me a favor, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. So whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first one to be notified. So let's go ahead and get into today's video, which is things I wish I had known when I first started using the machine. All right, so the first thing is that I have this beat that I want to play real quick here. All right, so just a little beat that I programmed for this tutorial here. So the first thing that I wish I had known was that there is these knobs here. And what are these knobs? Well, on the left here, you have your volume control, and then the right, you have your pan pot. And then just double click to reset it. All right, now you can do the same thing for each channel. So you can really increase the volume and change, the position of your sound. So that's one thing that I wish I had known. And just to take it a little step further is that this is actually linked to these knobs right here. Same thing for the pan. So that's just one little thing that I wish I had known. All right, so the next thing that I wish I had known was the fact that there was onboard compression without even loading any type of plugins at all. And it's right here under the effects filter tab. So I can control compression, I can control the drive, I can even, degrade the quality by changing the sample rate and then the bits. I can even add a filter or EQ. And let me show you guys what that kind of does to the sound here. So you can add some compression, add some drive. You can also and show you guys the EQ. So you can kind of control it from here if you like. Boost it up. Add some compression to the clap. All right, so that's all I really wanted to share with you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you found some value with these tips, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you on the next video. We out.